Hello, everyone. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another wonderful and amazing day. Welcome, welcome, welcome back, y'all. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoy Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today with another Crafty Vision segment. Could y'all please make sure that you thumbs up this video, please, and make sure you share it out, okay? So that other people can get exactly what they need as well, okay? Sharing is caring, okay? So, today, my beloved kings and queens, I am going to be making in my Crafty Vision segment, I'm going to be making another tassel earring, okay? So here are the items that you will need to achieve this look. You're going to need some fabric, okay? For the whole, pretty much the whole month of February, I have been using this fabric to make and create some beautiful jewelry, okay? And I purchased this from Joann's Fabric. This fabric was $12.99 a yard. I got 1 yard, okay? I have a large flat disc. This is a 4x4 disc, and I'm going to be using this to wrap my yarn around. This is the yarn that I'm going to be using, y'all. This Super Saver Jumbo I purchased from Walmart. I am so in love with this color. This color is everything. When I say everything, it's everything. It's called Patty Green, okay? And this is the Super Saver. So this is what I'm going to be using. I'm also going to be using some 20 gauge wire. Your 20 gauge wire this is about maybe 7 or 8 inches, okay? You're going to need, of course, 2 fish hooks, 2 buttons, 2 small wooden buttons or whatever buttons you have. You will also, this is 21 inches long, okay? I forgot to mention that. 21 inches long. This right here, I bought from the Dollar Tree. Okay, this is something that is very lightweight. It's a kid's bracelet, okay? Every year, Dollar Tree have these in their store. You can make stuff with this, as you will see, okay? When they have this, y'all, this is seasonal. It comes every year. Be on the lookout. When it comes, make sure that you buy plenty, okay? So that you can make an abundance of these earrings, okay? You're going to need your flat nose pliers, your wire cutters, your round nose pliers, of course, your scissors to cut your fabric, and your handy dandy glue gun. All right. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So the very first thing you want to do is you want to cut your fabric about 1 inch thick. You want to fold it over like I always do, because I don't want my fabric to fray. And you want to iron it down, and this is what you're going to have. Now, when you start adding it and putting it on your bracelet, or whatever you choose to use, you're going to put your glue on there, and then you're going to come in the middle, or wherever, on the inside, just like that, and glue that in place, okay? Now, you're going to start wrapping it. Every time you wrap it, you pull it over like that, okay? Let me show you again. When you pull it through, you pull it as tight as you can get it and pull it over, all right? So I'm going to go ahead and do that so we can get to the next part. Okay, y'all. So basically, I went past, because I pretty much want my earring to be like this. I want these 2 colors to meet. So I did go past my ending point, and as a matter of fact, I'm going to show y'all where that is. Okay, that's where you can still see, and I just decided to keep going because I want, like I said, my earrings to pretty much kind of sort of be matching with the colors. All right, so I'm going to continue to wrap, and then I'm going to come right here Yeah. All right, I'm going to end it. I'm going to end it right here. I'm going to take my glue gun, add on a little bit of the glue. Bring this piece over and just hold it in place for a little bit. Okay. And whenever I use the glue gun, I only glue in the beginning and at the end of my projects. And then I'm going to come here and cut this off. Okay. Just like that. So this is pretty much how the earring is going to be, because I'm going to put the yarn down on this part here. That's going to be covered. You won't even be able to see that, okay? So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start making my little tassel. I'm going to take this, and I need to cut a generous amount. Okay, y'all, so now I'm going to go ahead and wrap this. And you don't necessarily have to use a circle. You can use whatever you have, okay? I'm just using this because I'm going to be wrapping it this way, all right? So I'm going to take my piece. I'm going to bring it down just a little bit and let that hang like that. And then I'm going to wrap this about 30 times. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. All right. I'm going to snip that just like that. Move the rest of this. And then I'm going to slide it off nice and gentle. I'm going to put my hand right there, just like that. Try to straighten it out. And then I'm going to come down the bottom of it and cut that. Just like that, okay? You want to cut that. And then you're going to take this and you're going to, if you can at all, just try to straighten it out. If you can. One side, then you do the other side. Just like this, okay? Once you get it straightened out, then you're going to take it and you're going to come here where you glued that part, and you're going to take it right through your hole, just like that, and bring your pieces together. Try to make it even. If you don't make it even, it's not a big thing, because I'm going to cut this anyway. And this is pretty much what you are going to have. Now you're going to take this piece here out. You're going to take this piece here out, okay? Just like that. And this is what you're going to have. And you're going to take one of these pieces. Take one of your pieces. Bring it over like this. And you're going to start wrapping it around your yarn. As you're wrapping it, you want to tie it, pull it, and make it as tight as possible. You want to leave a piece out. So you're just going to do this. Pull it, bring it around, pull it, bring it around, and pull it, and then bring it back around. Once you do that, this is what you are going to have, or you should have. You're going to bring both of these pieces together, and you're going to tie it in a knot. You want to tie it as tight as you can get it. Okay, one, and then you want to tie it again, two. Okay, these two pieces are going to hang down. This is pretty much what you are going to have. And then you can take and come down the bottom and even this out like this to even it out. Make sure that when you're doing this, please do not cut your hand. All right. So now that's pretty even. It still might not be as even as it could be, but it's, you know. All right. So now we have that. So the next thing we're going to do, once you get this all together, and it's still not even because of my hands, the way it was positioned in my hand, but yeah, I just have to cut it just a little bit more from this side. Okay, that's fine. All right, so now once you get that all together, then you're gonna take your wire right here, and with your wire, when you put it on, you're gonna place it on like this. You wanna come in the middle. Try to come in the middle, if at all possible. Just like this. You wanna push it together as tight as you can get it. Then you wanna take, I'm trying to make sure it's in the middle. You're gonna bring your wire back through and under like this and make it as tight as you can make it, but bring these two pieces together. Okay, so let me show you what you want to have. That's what you want to have. Okay, now you're going to take your button and you're going to put it on one side of your wire, the other side of your wire, and bring it down. Okay, then you're going to take your bead and put your wire through, both pieces through your bead, and bring that all the way down like that. Okay, that's going to keep it from moving and all that good stuff. Then you're just going to take your round nose pliers. You're going to come here and you're going to make a loop. Okay, a loop just like that. Take both pieces, and then you're just going to start wrapping this around like that, your bead. Okay. All right, now that's what you're going to have. And then you're going to snip off these two pieces right here. Okay, when you snip those two pieces off, you're going to take your flat nose pliers and you're just going to come here and squeeze those two pieces in. And let me just straighten this up. All right, now that's what you should have. Now the last thing you want to do is just add on your fish hook. And you got yourself a gorgeous pair of earrings. Now, what I do want to say is, and this is a bonus, you can use this fabric right here that you get from the Dollar Tree to make these earrings. Now, these are, I think these are 2 by 2. And let me make sure. Yeah, these earrings, these hoops are 2x2. You don't have to use large hoops. But the reason why I'm telling you is that you can use this fabric because this is 18 by 21 inches, okay? And you can cut a piece. That means that it's 21 inches long. It's 18 inches wide, 21 inches long. And you can cut, this will be more than enough for you to, and let me show you what I mean. I have a piece here that I open, and I just want you to see so you can get a better understanding. So when you cut this, right, it's 21, pretty much 21 inches long. You just cut and then you iron it, and you don't have to have African print fabric in order to do this, okay? So I just want you to know that you can use the fabric that you get from the Dollar Tree for $1.25, and you can make, let me show you, boop, there you go. All right, so you don't necessarily have to go out and spend a whole lot of money on fabric. You can go right to the Dollar Tree and get these right here, or any ones you want, and make you some of these, okay, using this fabric. Okay, so with that being said, please make sure that y'all thumbs up the video. Once again, share it out to your social media platforms, because sharing is caring, okay? And I want to take this time to say thank y'all so very much for your support. Thank you to my new supporters, my loyal supporters. I want to say thank y'all so very much. And as always, y'all make as many as you can. Happy crafting. And until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.